Nobody really knows yet, because today there aren't that many services they can move. The kind of bandwidth that's required for the type of content production that most broadcasters are producing today isn't yet really possible in the cloud. You can move files, you can do a little bit of moving video, but a great example of that is that today, to move video in real time without using a microwave truck, you're using a backpack like a LiveView or a TVU or a Streambox that's taking highly compressed video, maximum 25 megabits, and it takes 6 cellular modems in an inverse multiplexer to be able to send that through the cloud. That's a little bit Rube Goldberg. We're not really ready there yet. So I don't think people really know what the costs will be yet. I think that they're studying it, I think they're looking at it, but the business model isn't there yet.